Beavers, the industrious rodents known for their remarkable dam-building skills, are among the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. These semi-aquatic mammals play a crucial role in their ecosystems, creating wetland habitats that support a diverse array of plant and animal life. Beavers are robust, large-bodied rodents with a number of adaptations that suit their semi-aquatic lifestyle. Adult beavers typically weigh between 11 to 32 kilograms, with body lengths ranging from 74 to 90 centimeters, excluding the tail. Their tails are distinctive, flat, scaly, and paddle-shaped, measuring about 20 to 35 centimeters in length. The tail serves multiple functions, including aiding in swimming, storing fat, and acting as a prop while the beaver gnaws on trees. Beavers have a dense, water-resistant coat that consists of 2 layers: a soft, insulating underfur and coarse, protective guard hairs. This fur provides excellent insulation against cold water, allowing beavers to remain active year-round, even in icy conditions. Their webbed hind feet enhance their swimming abilities, while their dexterous front paws are well suited for digging and manipulating objects. One of the most remarkable features of beavers is their powerful incisors. These continuously growing teeth are chisel-shaped and coated with hard, orange enamel on the front surface, which helps the beaver gnaw through tough tree bark and wood. The ability to fell trees and manipulate the landscape is a key aspect of beaver behavior and ecology. Beavers are known for their complex social structures and cooperative behaviors. They typically live in family groups or colonies, which consist of a monogamous breeding pair and their offspring. A typical colony includes the adult pair, kits, and yearlings from the previous year's litter. Beavers are highly territorial and will vigorously defend their home range from intruders. Communication among beavers involves vocalizations, scent marking, and physical displays. They produce a variety of sounds, including whines, grunts, and tail slaps. The tail slap, where a beaver forcefully smacks its tail on the water surface, is a common alarm signal used to warn other colony members of potential danger. Scent marking is another critical aspect of their communication. Beavers have scent glands located near their anus, which they use to mark their territory with a musky secretion called castoreum. Beavers are primarily nocturnal, conducting most of their activities under the cover of darkness. This behavior helps them avoid predators and human disturbance. They are adept swimmers, capable of remaining submerged for up to 15 minutes while they forage or work on their underwater structures. Beavers are habitat engineers, profoundly impacting their environment through the construction of dams, lodges, and canals. They prefer freshwater habitats such as rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes, where they can build their elaborate structures. By damming waterways, beavers create ponds that provide a safe haven from predators, access to food, and suitable conditions for raising their young. A beaver lodge is a dome-shaped structure made of sticks, mud, and vegetation, typically situated in the middle of a pond or along the water's edge. These lodges serve as homes for the beaver family, providing protection from the elements and predators. Inside, lodges are divided into chambers, including a dry living area and an underwater entrance that allows beavers to come and go without exposing themselves to danger. The construction of dams is one of the most notable aspects of beaver behavior. Beavers use their powerful jaws to fell trees and gather branches, which they then weave together to form a barrier across a stream or river. They seal the gaps with mud and stones, creating a stable dam that slows the flow of water and raises the water level upstream, forming a pond. Beavers are herbivores with a diet that varies seasonally. They primarily consume the bark, leaves, and twigs of deciduous trees, such as aspen, willow, birch, and maple. During the growing season, they also eat a variety of aquatic and terrestrial vegetation, including roots, tubers, and grasses. In preparation for winter, beavers cache food by anchoring branches and logs in the mud at the bottom of their ponds, creating a submerged food reserve that remains accessible even when the water surface is frozen. The beaver's ability to digest cellulose, a major component of plant cell walls, is facilitated by symbiotic microorganisms in their gut. These microbes break down the cellulose, allowing beavers to extract nutrients from their fibrous diet. This digestive adaptation is crucial for their survival, given the high fiber content and low nutritional value of their primary food sources. Beavers are considered keystone species because of their significant impact on ecosystem structure and function. By building dams and creating ponds, they transform fast-flowing streams into slow-moving wetlands, which serve as critical habitats for a wide range of plant and animal species. These wetland habitats enhance biodiversity, providing breeding grounds for amphibians, feeding areas for birds, and habitat for fish and invertebrates. Beaver ponds also play a vital role in water management. They help to regulate stream flow, reduce erosion, and improve water quality by trapping sediments and filtering pollutants. During periods of drought, beaver ponds retain water, maintaining aquatic habitats and supporting downstream ecosystems. In times of heavy rainfall, they act as natural flood control systems, slowing the release of water and reducing the risk of downstream flooding. The ecological benefits of beaver activity extend beyond the immediate area of their ponds. The creation of wetlands influences the surrounding terrestrial environment, promoting the growth of riparian vegetation and enhancing soil moisture levels. This, in turn, supports a diverse array of wildlife and contributes to the overall health of the watershed. The conservation status of beavers has varied significantly over time. Both the North American and Eurasian beaver populations experienced dramatic declines in the past due to overhunting for their fur, castoreum, and meat. By the early 20th century, beavers were nearly extinct in many parts of their range. Conservation efforts, including legal protection, reintroduction programs, and habitat restoration, have led to remarkable recoveries in beaver populations. The North American beaver is now widespread and abundant across much of its historical range. The Eurasian beaver, while still recovering, has also seen significant population increases due to successful reintroduction and conservation initiatives. Despite these successes, beavers continue to face challenges. Habitat loss and degradation due to human activities such as urban development, agriculture, and logging pose ongoing threats. Additionally, beaver activity can sometimes conflict with human interests, particularly in areas where their dam building behavior leads to flooding of roads, agricultural fields, or residential properties. Efforts to mitigate human-beaver conflicts often involve the use of flow devices, which allow water to pass through beaver dams without breaching them, thus preventing flooding while maintaining the ecological benefits of the ponds. Public education and outreach programs also play a crucial role in promoting coexistence between humans and beavers.